Hi dear friends, how are you all? Welcome to our YouTube channel HR Tutorials India. In this video, we'll be discussing how to make an offer. In our previous videos, we have discussed the selection process and how to negotiate salary. Once the salary is decided, the next step is issuing an offer. How to make an offer? Making a job offer is the final stage of recruitment selection. Once a candidate is selected, he or she will be issued an offer letter which describes the designation, job location, roles, responsibilities, remuneration, benefits, and few terms related to the company policies. Here, we enter the final stage of recruitment and selection process, which is making an offer. Once the candidate is selected, he or she needs to be issued an offer after the salary negotiation. And the offer letter describes the job designation, the job location, roles and responsibilities of the job, and the remuneration and benefits what are offered by the company for the specific job, and other terms related to the company policies. Most HR professionals tend to believe that making an offer is a simple process, but in many cases it is not so. Making an offer is a crucial part of recruitment selection because it's a stressful and demanding process until the candidate joins the company after issuing an offer. At this stage, a lot of responsibility lies on the shoulders of the HR with regards to the process after making an offer. Many employees and other HR professionals believe that issuing or making an offer is a simple process, but in many cases it is a very difficult process because making an offer is a crucial part of recruitment selection because it is very demanding process and a stressful job until the candidate joins the company after issuing an offer. If the candidate doesn't join and the negotiation or the discussions between the HR and the employee is not proper, it could lead to declining of the offer, and this will result in a huge loss because the budget spent on recruitment selection will go into dustbin. The time consuming recruitment and selection is also a loss to the company. Hence, making an offer and coordinating with the candidate till the employee joins the company is a difficult task that a HR professional plays. Hence, what we can say is the responsibility lies on the shoulders of the HR with regards to the process after making an offer till the candidate joins the company. How to make an offer? Making a job offer is a delicate process and it should be handled carefully. The outcome of this process can be one of the following. As we have seen that making an offer is very important because the process is very delicate and should be handled very carefully. Let us now discuss the outcomes of the process of making an offer, which can be one of the following. The candidate may accept and start working with the organization, or the candidate may accept the better job offer from another organization if he gets one. So either of these options can happen. If the first option happens, it is very happy situation for a HR that the candidate has accepted and joins the organization after serving the notice period with the previous company. But when it comes to the second option, it is very difficult for an HR or the hiring manager to accept this because the candidate doesn't join the company and accept some other organization wherein the recruitment selection has to take place from initial stage, which is a time-taking process and budget-oriented process. Hence, making an offer is a crucial process which has to be handled carefully and make the candidate join the company after issuing an offer till he joins. Hence, the HR team should take quick action at this stage. The following points should be kept in mind while making a job offer. As it is very difficult and crucial stage of recruitment and selection process, it is the responsibility of the HR team to take quick action at the stage of making an offer. Let us now discuss few points which are to be kept in mind while making a job offer. Do not delay. Issue an offer letter as soon as a candidate is selected, especially if the resources are limited. Put the job offer on the table. While issuing an offer letter, do not wait for the right time. Contact the selected candidates over phone and give him a verbal confirmation that he or she is selected to fill the vacant position. Set a deadline to accept the offer. Once the offer is issued to the candidate, set a reasonable deadline to accept the offer. Take a confirmation from the candidate that he or she should join as per the date of the joining mentioned in the offer letter. Stay connected. Even after the offer is accepted by the candidate, it is the responsibility of the hiring manager to be in touch with the selected candidate till he or she joins the organization. Once the offer letter is issued to the candidate, set a deadline so that he or she is forced to accept the offer and confirm the offer by setting a date for joining, which is mentioned in the offer letter. And after issuing an offer letter, it is the responsibility of the hiring manager to be in touch and contacted with the selected candidate till the candidate joins the organization. After finding the right resource for vacant positions in the organization, the offer is prepared and released to the candidate. It is a crucial stage to follow a correct process in order to close the deal and ensure that the selected candidate joins the organization as per the terms issued in the offer letter. In simple words, it can be said that the right resource is selected for the vacant position in the organization and the offer is prepared and released to the candidate. And making an offer is a crucial stage to follow a correct process in order to close the deal of the selected candidate who has to join the organization as per the terms issued in the offer letter. So dear friends, hope you have understood how to make an offer and what are the difficulties or the challenges which are played by the hiring manager to complete the process of making an offer. If you have any questions or queries in this video, please do comment in the comment section. I'll be happy enough to answer all your queries. And if you like this video, please do subscribe and share among your friends. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a nice day.